So hello guys, I'm currently facing a problem with my new APC40 and Ableton Live 9. So the problem is when I'm using the automatic settings of the APC40 for Ableton Live, I have this very slow speed of the pan, as you can see. So I need to turn it around very much in order to get it to the position I want. So if I take a manual mapping, as you can see here, I'm clicking on it and I'm turning the wheel, and voila. It's going faster and I can turn it around with one movement. So if you have any clues what's the problem here, or any one of you had this problem already, I would be very happy if you can help me. Thank you very much.